But I do also know there's emergency petitions for custody.
You can file an emergency petition for custody if, and every judge defines what an emergency is differently. But if my wife told me, "Hey, I'm moving to Florida next week and I'm taking the kids," well, that's an emergency custody. I would immediately file something and to enter an order that says you cannot leave, or you can't leave the state with the children until we have a full hearing. Or you could have a scenario where maybe somebody
Like the
is
safety.
Yeah, safety. I mean, we had talked about PFAs before, but it could be, you could also file an emergency custody petition too and say, oh, somebody's, using drugs and they're falling asleep or they're unconscious or passing out when they have the kid. So you file an emergency custody and says, "Hey, judge, I don't want the other parent to see the kid until they get cleaned up, till they go to rehab, until the situation has changed."